Allied's story is a story about transformation, both internal and external. It's not about who we were and who we are now, but of how we will continue to evolve and triumph. We know that our world is changing, and in order to be in a position to win for our clients, we must continue to anticipate the unprecedented, exponentially increasing changes of our world. We've promised our clients we'd continuously set the bar high. It's a lofty promise. So it becomes our obligation to unlock creativity and innovation, both inside and outside of our industry. We leverage our data and insights to make moves, and we don't make small moves, we make big moves. We've built an engine that turns an aspiration into a plan and a reality. We are the accelerators. This all comes down to our people. Our people are our greatest asset. The most important part of what we do is listen. We get to the core of our clients' challenges and we empower them to break the old paradigm, see a new way of doing things. We certainly don't fit the traditional steel manufacturer's model. We're innovators, and we will continue to evolve for the sake of our clients. Undeterred Solutionists. We're with you all the way.